Hey guys, give me 1 second. So I have a friend that's confused about things. I just want to let him know. Anyway. Yes, I just gotta tell him I'm live stream. Okay. All right. So I'm starting a 30-day challenge today. It's a thing I do every now and then. My wife just went to Japan, so it's a good timing for me to just kind of take the time where I don't have to be with my wife. It's not something I want. I absolutely love being with my wife. But I gotta close some stuff out. Hang on. So I have 30 days, and there's a bunch of things I'm already working on, and I want to keep working on them. So I'm going to put max effort into them. So one of the goals is I have a revision in the works for this Japanese Zero Book 3. Been in the works for a while. I just finished the Japanese Zero Book 2 revision, and that was maybe a year after the book 1 revision. So this will be the first revision on this book in almost 20 years. It's been heavily revised. I'm just going through and finishing it. That's one thing. The other thing that I'm trying to do in the 30-day goal is to complete Spanish from zero, which is all the lessons have been laid out. Now we've just got to make sure everything's not taught ahead of itself or taught out of order and whatnot. Whoa. My dad was calling me at one point. He missed his chance. I tried calling him twice earlier and he didn't talk to me. So Spanish from zero, Japanese Zero Book 3. And then I've got this. Where is it? This isn't the current cover, but there's a novel that I've been working on called Fate Squared. This is an earlier edition. I keep changing the title, and everyone thought this was the second in the series. So I was no, so I got to change the name. So it's not going to have the 2 in there at least, but so I'm working on the final draft of that. Once that's done, then I think I'll be pretty happy. There's some other sub goals that I'd like to do. I've got some. Trying to remember what the heck I was thinking about. Oh, videos. I want to do some videos. There's one that I have in the works. My goal would be try to do one every day, but I don't know if that's gonna be possible. But I could do it if it's a Japanese in 5. And then I've got a sub goal in the 30 days to try to every day get. I have a Plex server where I rip all of my DVDs and Blu-rays and Ultra HDs into a server that allows me to have my own personal Netflix, essentially. And the one thing that I haven't been doing is TV shows, because it's a lot more work than movies. So that's another goal. So far, 2 days in a row, I've done it. I put in all of a show called Justified earlier today. And yesterday, what did I do yesterday? Family Ties. That was a lot. So that being said, I'm going to open up the book. It's in here somewhere. Give me a second. Let's open up Word. And find the file. I believe it's this one. Yeah, that looks like the one. Okay, ooh, that's weird. Let's change the view of this. Okay, Japanese Zero Book 3, update number 5. Let's say September. Let's say October. When's this coming out? I don't know. And then let me open up. I've got to open up my notes on it. My co-author has written a bunch of notes, Kanako Sensei. And I actually did a pretty good amount of stuff the other day. I wish I could remember where I was. I think it was chapter 4. I've just got to find out where her notes are. Give me 1 second. Oh, there we go. Actually, it looks like it was chapter... Okay, I guess there's a couple notes I missed here. So V4 from chapter 3. V4. Oh, I do think I did this. Oh no, this one I didn't. Oh, this, I think I might have done this. It already looks like it changed. Yeah, okay, I did this one. I just forgot to. 今日はあなたの誕生日だから出かけよう。What's her note on this? 今日はあなたの Give me a second, guys. Hey, Dad.
Hey.
All right. That was my dad. He's got like an appointment coming up and he needs me to help him out. He's getting old. Needs help. Okay, so let's look at this. Oh, nope, not this one. Okay, we're fixing this note now. お遊ぶはほとんど使わないと思います。Okay. Yeah, I mean, I agree with that. 3番目の例文も本来、ケンタロウ君の家でモンスターストライクで遊びます。思い切って削除しませんか? She wants to delete that, but I don't know what else I'd put in its place. So maybe we should then put a note saying it's not commonly used if it's not commonly. I'm gonna add that as my note. This is the part, I can't make these unilateral decisions because I want to keep it there, but oh wait, is she talking about? Oh, she's talking about removing this. Okay. Huh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, I think that's not a bad option. Let's delete it. I do want to put another note here that this can't be used to play oh, I did have this note. I wrote since it's used a lot. Is it used a lot? Kanako says it's not used a lot. So I'm going to do the only test I know how to do of this. And it's to go to Twitter. Twitter is still the best way to do this. You might be thinking, oh, why don't I just ask ChatGPT? Because I don't do that. I don't use AI to write books. It's a super slippery slope if I do. Let's just do that without anything else and hope that we get something. Gameを遊ぶこと、アナログゲーム。見えない世界を interesting さすぶりながら Okay, I'm not sure what that さすぶり means. Is there any more? If there's only 3, that definitely is not a lot. Yeah, there's not a lot. Here, let's do unde. Sudoku. 人生を遊んで観光を遊んで学べる. Yep, then it gets out of it. So, okay. So it looks like I'm not sure where I got this note, but the good news is now I have room to say this. Asobu isn't ever used to mean play an instrument. I think we learn that later in this book, though. There are multiple. Instead, there are multiple other verbs depending on the instrument type to say play that we will learn later. All right. perfect. I don't like that these are all asobimasu. I don't think though we know undeimasu yet though. Teimasu form I think is coming later. Yeah, it's this lesson. Okay, good. All right, good. So that means it's going to come up in this lesson. Okay, so I'll let Kanako know that I removed it. Okay. We'll mark that one as done. Next is 3-5 Maska instead of Tai. Ooh, this was a very good addition, I thought, to this book. Let's see what her notes are on it. I was very happy to do this. When asking if someone wants to do something, instead of asking using Tai desu ka, can sound conceited. Ooh, she's gonna have a problem with that. Puru no bubun o kakikaete itadakimasu ka? Hoka ni iikata. Okay. She doesn't like this asking. When asking if someone wants to do something, Tai desu ka can sound conceited, or as if you are above them in status. It's more natural to use masu ka. Okay. She's given some other notes. The asker, where is that? Literally, this is, will you eat lunch together? Ishoni lunch with it, and feel suggestive in a good way. In English, it more naturally translates, do you want to get lunch together? If someone asks, tabetai desu ka? It sounds consider yourself even, oh, I already said that up here. Even better. I don't understand what she pointed. She has a note pointing up to here with a question, like, what do you mean by this? Oh, adding a question mark. That's what it was. Okay. Looks like I already made these things. But she realized even better. Even better than tabemasu ka is tabemasen ka. Is it better though? Is it better? Tabemasen ka? Tabemasu ka? I don't know if it's better. I feel like oh, furi gone. Okay. Already got it. Okay, so this is done. I think I want to change this. In English, it's common to say, do you want to? Which in Japanese is tai desu ka? However, it's more natural to use masu ka. Yeah, and I'll keep it like that. Show them. Literally, this is will you eat lunch together? And feels suggestive in a good way. In English, it more naturally translates to, when using 食べたいですか? It sounds conceited or self-important. Another option better than 食べたいですか? Yeah, I think that's good. Of course, this works for all verbs, not just 食べる. I think we need to say that because people get confused. Do I have the space for that? I don't. Okay. Let's tie this. Let's tighten this up a little bit. Tabetai desu ka? Sounds considered self-important. All right. Done. Next is kanji lesson 20 nichi. Kanji lesson 20 nichi. Gotta get used to having kanji lessons in here. 20 nichi. Furigana no 20日もう少し、下に持ってきてください。Ah, I get what's happening now. Why is that not working? Oh, that's broken. Ooh, I haven't had a broken one in a long time. All right, let's fix Hatsuka. This is something I have to fix in code. Word has a lot of bugs when it comes to furigana. So I have an exceptions list somewhere in here. Probably should delete all of these. I'm not doing anything. Somewhere in here there's an exception list. Ooh, I didn't find it. I'm gonna look for Nihon or something like Nichi. Oops, Nichi. Ooh. Oh, wrong. I gotta do the whole project, then I'll find it. There we go. Afrigano, that's a test. Okay, somewhere in here. There it is. Okay. Alternative. No, this is bad Furigana list. So it shows the bad and then it shows what it should be. Okay, so let's see if we can't fix it here. We got, what is it? What was it? Hatsuka? Hatsuka? And it puts all of its eggs right here in this basket. Hatsuka. That should become comma. Let's see if that fixes it. So now the tool should fix it if I do this. Oh, not fixing. I must have done something wrong. Or this list needs to be regenerated. I don't think so, though. Let me see if I don't have it already done somewhere. I might have it twice. And the first one's wrong, you know? Hatsuka. Let's try Niju instead. Nope. Alright. So what am I doing wrong? We have Hatsuka. The comma's in the middle, right? Yeah. Does it need to end? It might need to end with one of these. I'm not sure. Can't remember if that's how I wrote the software. Sometimes I have to do that because I'm dumb. Script out of range. And maybe adding that broke it. So this one needs it. Oh, I have a misplaced. Okay, never mind. Hang on. I got it. I see it. Not sure if I need that or not. Okay. You've got your misplaced. So I think literally if I just do, I'm not sure what the knee does. Knee going to Hatsuka. What does the knee do? I'm not sure what this might mean I have to do 3 here. Let's see if that fixes it. Problem is when you code, like you have to remember all of the coding you did. I haven't touched this code in a long time. I essentially just remember that I have. It's not fixing it. I'm not sure what I do differently. Wait a minute. I see what I did. I don't see what I did. Where is it? Where'd my 3 go? Oh, it's up here. What is this? This is just my notes or something. What is this? Oh, I can't do it down here. I'm an idiot. This is the output window. Oh my God, I'm dumb. Okay. Sorry. I have to actually do it up here. That was a real rookie mistake. Ni Futsuka. And then I think you say 3 and it works. Yeah, that was pretty bad. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay. Let's try this again. Let's try a fresh one. Okay, it doesn't fix it. Let's see what the 2 does. Wait, did I write Futsuka instead of Hatsuka? I did. That's why it's not working. Let's try that 3 again. I just want to keep it outside of the table for a moment because sometimes that comes up with other issues. Whoa, no, that's wrong. Okay, that fixed it, but will it fix it here? Okay, it does. Okay, good. Okay, good. And he has a typo. Volcano is good now. And this needs to be brought up. Okay. All right, so we are done with that note. It's funny how long a simple note sometimes takes to fix. All right, so that puts us, I'm going to say stuck on lesson 3 because I'm waiting for her to respond. Now we'll do lesson 4 from the teacher note. She wants to make it simpler. All right, I already did that. We need to start this lesson with grammar before any word or verb usage. This will make it. Okay, so that's done. Oh, funny, it already says that it was done. Okay, I already did that as well. Okay, so common grammar and okay, this was big. This was the big note that I just did. For 4-1. Wait, how are we here? Not lesson 4. Yeah, this is what I did the other day. Okay, this is what I did my live stream on the other day. So this is the done grammar. All right, next note. Direct quoting. Oh, yep, I think I did that as well. Furigana zurete imasu. Okay. All right, what do we got? Japanese quotation marks are called kagikako and look like this. Just like English, they are used around quoted text. Okay, no problems with that, looks like. I think this might already be, oh, I see. I delete, this has got a problem. Okay. Direct quotes are also marked with speech marker toe. So I think we need like a comma eventually. But do not, unlike indirect speech, direct quotes are not required to be informal. Instead, they can match the exact words being quoted. ジョージがホラー映画が好きだと Okay, and I actually feel like right here, I should make the same sentence. So like George said, ジョージがホラー映画が好きですと言いました。Like that. Oh shoot, you know I didn't realize. We have used demushed. Okay, so it's good. George said I like horror movies. All right. I'm going to actually change this one over here. ジョージがホラー映画が好きだと言いました。So here it's a George said he likes, right? That's your indirect quote. And then George said, I like horror movies. See, that's a way better way to teach it because it shows the exact same thing, but one being indirect and one being direct. So I think it really drives the point forward. If they haven't figured it out now, what indirect versus direct means, this is where they'll get it. This would be where the light bulb kind of goes off. Like, oh, okay, I see. All right, good. Adding more verbs to the mix. Give me a second. I think I don't need to do. Oh, this pop quiz might not work. We actually have not done imashita yet. All right, I think I'm going to move this down. That way I don't have to worry about. I think some of these are going to get deleted, but let's put this down here. And then we'll make this a lower number. Now let's use indirect speech with you to say, oh, okay, all of the rules is okay, good. George がホラー映画、友達とホラー映画を見ると言いました。This needs to be like this. George said he's going to watch a horror movie with a friend. Good. 僕はあなたが好きだと言わなかったよ。Here's an just so they keep it down. Okay. What? I didn't say I like you. この本棚がちょっと大きいと思います。Don't forget dot is used for e adjectives. I think this bookshelf is a bit big. Good. 会場がうるさかったと思いませんでしたか？と思いません？ So that, don't you think the concert hall is loud? 美空ひばりの歌が綺麗だと思います。Okay, good. All right, now that we've introduced them, I can do this thing with direct quotes. So I can take this. Let's go fix that art that's broken. Hi, Uliana. ¿Cómo estás? This is book 3, so we'll open that up. Yeah, this works. Okay. This needs to be SVG. Just kind of do a quick look to see where that. There's already quite a bit of art in here. It doesn't really matter if I overwrite it or not because it's in the book. Once it's in the book, even if I deleted all of these, the book would still load them because it's not like HTML or something like that. It's embedded into the book. Let me just see if I can't find a quote in here. There it is. Oops, spelled quote wrong. So. Okay, great. We'll place this down here. I'm kind of hungry. I was thinking I wanted to get a massage. I haven't got a massage in like 3 years. I used to get regular massages. It was kind of nice. I don't know why. COVID, never mind. COVID stopped it. Like the shiatsu massages and Thai massages are amazing too. Okay, let's get this graphic in there. Why didn't that fix? Oh, it did fix. Okay, good. All right. This goes here like this. I think this is better, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna remove an example from up here, I think. We've got urusakata kireto da. We got verb. No adjective, e adjective. Another no adjective. Let's get rid of the last one. I liked that one, but I need the space below. I don't think there's a way I can. Yo también estoy bien. See if I can tighten this up a little bit. Okay. Good note. Then we continue these sentences down here. Yeah. Oh, okay. This is okay. Let's not forget how indirect speech is different from direct speech. Oh man, life is a little bit simpler without my wife here, but it's also more complicated. Like, I gotta figure out what I gotta eat. I might gotta go get Chipotle today, guys. I'm not in pain though, Uyana. I really just want to get a massage. Like, oh my god, like, ugh. Not stressed out at all. Although my cat is in the hospital right now. Kind of like a routine checkup for him because he's got diabetes. But the last week or so, he's been pretty lethargic, not eating a lot, not coming out of his hiding spots. So I told them that. They're like, oh, you should talk with the doctor. And they took me into a back room and I was like, oh no. they're going to recommend I euthanize. I was kind of worried, but they didn't. They said, let's run a battery of tests. And they're not the type of place that they're really ethical. With our last cat, they were super ethical about when we should put her down and all of that. Running the test isn't like something that they do just to like get your money. They really wanted to run the test, so I'm guessing I can get rid of these. No, I'll keep a little bit. I just want to have my little dog story come up a little bit. It might be too much. Yeah, it's too much.
Unknown caller.
Hello. God, I hate real estate agents. I'm a real estate agent. I hate myself, guys. Give me a second. I gotta block this number. Yeah, they constantly call to see if you have a listing that you're willing to sell them at like a dirt rate price, and it's like, bro, no. If I had that, I would just buy it myself. Like, do you think I don't know how to like sell property? If I had a cheap property that I could sell for cheap, I would have put it on the market. Come on, I want my dog story. Okay. All right, you know what I'm going to do? I think I have another one that I can mix. I can remove. Oh, wait. An uno momento, senor. We can't do this pop quiz here because it's all kikimashtas. So let's separate this. We haven't done any imashtas yet. Will my renumbering work? Genius. Okay, so let's take this whole thing, copy it, and then okay. Now we'll do another little quiz right down here. But this time we'll get rid of these. Okay. It's all imashita though. Let's add one here and one here for Omo. Let's renumber. And then we'll Sensei no tanjoubi da to omoimasu. Oh my god. Okay. I think It's teacher's birthday. Let's add today. Today. Cool. What? Okay. And then this would be I think my wife's cheating on me. No one knows how to say that yet though. 奥さんが浮気してると思う. That'd be a cool phrase to know though. I think what do I think? What verbs do we have? I think何を think しますか? I don't know. Also, let's move this up here. I think this movie is I think this I'm gonna put a little bookmark here. Go see what we know. What kind of thing? I think this song. Oh, この歌が綺麗だ. I think this song is pretty. That's good because I got rid of that other similar one. Okay. Now, despite all the efforts I made, I have to redo all of this. So now I can move my little doggy story up. Of course, now I can add oh, I got an emos down here. Dang it. Ashita. Ame ga furu. That is a verb in this lesson, butと聞きました. Okay. I think we can add a couple more here at least for practice, right? At least one, right? I heard this. Okay, let's go back. We're gonna. I heard origami Oh, you know what I could do? Book 2 we did kekkon suru, so let's remind them. I heard so and so is getting married. All right, that's pretty good. Okay. Little pop quiz. Okay, you omou. You omou you. Okay. Let's do. I didn't say I want to eat now. 食べたいと言いませんでした。今食べたいと言いませんでした。Let me just add one more. We'll do a 聞きました。I heard there's 100 people at the party. That's a crazy party. パーティーに100人いると聞きました。100人いると聞きました。Okay. Okay. That we have balance on that one. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna come back. I want to think about this because I don't know. I got to review this. Do we still need this? Because I kind of like this. But I might call it like a different way to think about it. Yeah, I'm going to think about this later. Yeah, I know it's only been an hour and 10 minutes, and part of the call, the live stream was me talking. I'm kind of getting hungry, and I did wake up really early this morning for my cat after not getting a lot of sleep, so I'm going to take a nap. So, however, I will be back probably later because this challenge is going to require me to do a bunch of extra work to get this thing done. So I should be back later. Thanks for hanging out, guys. See you later.